Hello, welcome back. What's up, dudes? So today I'm going to make my first tutorial of Sprite Kit. So I'm Patrick, WWDC or WW Dev Center, like Develop Center, and yeah, so I'm going to start. I'm going to do this YouTube 1 class prefix first. It's going to be for iPhone. I'm going to teach you iOS Sprite Kit, yeah. And yeah, so I'm going to make this project. And great. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to explain you this thing that generates. Yeah. So first, we've got here delegates. I'm sorry, it's a little laggy, but yeah. So there is storyboard that it's a little laggy. I don't know why. They need to fix this bug about lagging, and yeah. So I know it's a little laggy, but you're going to wait a little until you see. So here is this view controller, and the class is the ST view controller that is right here, and it makes the SK view when it loads. SK view, it shows the frames per second and node count also. So it makes scene. So it makes my scene. First my scene or this class, scene with size, SK view bounds size, so it's the size of the view, and also scene scale mode, SK scene scale mode aspect fill, you know what that is, and SK view present scene. So this SK view, this is going to present scene, this. So it's going to load this thing. And here background color is I don't know what is this mix of this, but yeah. So there is going to be SK label, so it's like a UI label. It's going to be called my label, so it's going, and here in the brackets is going to be SK label node with font named Chalk Duster. You're going to see what font is that, and the text of my label is going to be hello world. So there is property text, font size, position, and much more you can see in documentation. So font size is going to be 30, and position is going to be CG position make CG rect get mid X. So it's going to get the middle of the X, yeah, of frame, and also with Y. And it's going to add child, so it's going to present it in the scene my label. And then when we touch screen, so it's going to run this for statement, and it's going to generate new sprite node. It's going to be called sprite. It's going to be sprite node with image named spaceship, and so it's going to look like this. And then position is going to be location, or location of the touch, so touch location in node self. And then it's going to be SK action, what is going to be named action, rotate by angle MPI duration 1. You're going to see what that is. And then sprite run action, SK action, repeat action forever, action. I think you know what this means. It's easy to understand. And self add child sprite, you know. And yeah, so I'm going to run this application on this iOS simulator. We need to wait until it loads because it's a little laggy. And yeah, so it's going to run, but yeah. So you see hello world, and when I do this, it's going to generate more. And you see there is FPS and nodes. So there are 9 spaceships. I mean 1 less, so there are 15 spaceships because one node is that hello world, and you can make more of them and it's going to be more lag. You see 3 FPS now. And also you see there are more, like we can make like this. You're going to see what's going to come now. There are multiple of these, and yeah, so it's in different way. Now it's like this, and MPI is going to be different. No, it's not different, but there are some of these things. I'm going to explain it in the next movie, but yeah, main thing is that I explain this to you, and also I'm going to documentation. So there is that SK label node, SK label node, class reference. Just a second until it loads. I need to type my password. And yeah, so there are color, blend factor, blend mode, and yeah, so there are multiple of these things, and some of them I'm going to show you. You can also look at your own, and some of them I'm going to show you in the next movie. And this, for now, I explained you this first thing that is generating it automatically with Xcode. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye. And also, if you enjoyed, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to remind me for something, or if you want to I teach you something also in the comments. I'll be grateful. Yeah, so goodbye. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.